Fernando Ocampo, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa MR D.I.Y Ocampo's Emporium San Fernando branch for the announcement of their month-long 20% discount. So we were invited nga po to let you know, as well as let's have a quick tour dito po sa MR D.I.Y San Fernando. Actually, first time ko makapunta dito, although lalong-lalo sa mga batang 90s sa San Fernando, kilala po si Ocampo's Emporium, and who would have known na ito pala ay MR D.I.Y na. So let's have a quick look. If you have any questions or inquiries regarding the promo sale, item availability, and price, leave them at the comment section. Tara po, ikot tayo. Ayan guys, ako personally, first time din ako makapasok dito. And I thought na si MR D.I.Y is for, you know, stationaries, office needs, school supplies. Pagpasok mo pala dito, they have a lot of department na nandito sa loob mismo ng store. So they have for plumbing, gardening, automotive, kitchen, name it, almost, no, pet care, even toys. And guys, so imagine even this bag for only, I think this is 370 pesos. Wow. This one's good. Now when you go here guys, hindi lang yung mga moms yung mag-enjoy sa pag-shop dito, including yung mga dads, including yung mga men's. Most importantly, yung mga gamit natin for kids. So like for example, this one, these are for infant and toddlers. Imagine available sila dito, di ba? And guys, so for toilet and bath na accessories, available din sila dito. Even for pet care and accessories, meron din sila. Dami. So I think this section dito, mag-enjoy talaga yung mga moms or ladies because we are at the kitchen section. So if you notice, ayan, meron tayong mga plastic containers, merong mga cooking wares, pot, wok, plates, and even mga jars. And oh, by the way, meron din para sila for baking needs. For dads and automotive enthusiasts, so meron din tayong section for that kind of items. For bikers, some stickers for your designs, and more automotive gears such as this. Now on this side, available din yung mga garden accessories natin. And we also have tools for carpentry, plumbing, automotive. Available po sila dito. So there you have it guys, thank you for watching this video. If this has been helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa channel namin, please do so para po updated kayo sa mga places and the mga events na pinifeature namin dito sa community ng Pampanga. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, keep safe. Bye guys.